In today's world, where every click and scroll could expose your personal data, securing your internet connection is no longer optional. Did you know that cybercrime costs are projected to reach $10.5 trillion annually by 2025? With the current global political tension, like the US-Iran situation, governments and hackers alike are increasingly surveilling the internet. It's not just governments, though. Even when you're sipping your coffee at your favorite cafe, that free Wi-Fi could be a free pass for hackers into your data. Ignoring this could mean your sensitive information, banking details, private messages, even your identity could be stolen in an instant. Worse, it could lead to financial wreckage or privacy invasion without you even knowing. But here's the good news. NordVPN's one-year plan offers military-grade encryption. It's like wrapping your online activity in an impenetrable shield, keeping you safe wherever you are, whether you're at home or exploring the world. NordVPN uses top-notch AES 256 encryption, which is the same level of security used by the military. This means your data is virtually uncrackable, keeping out even the most determined cyber intruders. With over 5,400 servers in 59 countries, NordVPN lets you access global content without restrictions. You can stream, download, and surf like a local, no matter where you are, all without compromising speed or security. Don't just take my word for it. NordVPN has been rated as the top choice by over 12 million users worldwide, and they boast a stellar 4.8-star rating on leading review platforms. Ready to secure your online presence? Grab your NordVPN one-year plan today and browse with confidence. Check out the link in the description to get started now and gain peace of mind instantly.